Hi guys, today I will be unpacking and testing this Logitech mouse. So this one is Signature M650 for small to medium size hands. So you can see here size M, medium, then comes it's showing here a 24-month battery life. So it's using I think AA battery. So I will check it inside later on. Then also this model M650 comes with the right-handed or left-handed mouse. So this one for right. For the left one, the two buttons are here, but I think it is indicated with the information here left if you purchase that one. So make sure you are purchasing the right one for you. So it has a like a smart wheel, then customizable button, natural fit, then yeah, Bluetooth connection. So I'll just open this now. So this is the one you can open, this part. So just pull this one out. So just be careful, it's a bit sharp. Now it's opened. On this side. So before taking the mouse out, so I'll just see what is written here. So some information here. So maybe try to read some procedure, how to connect to the computer. Okay, then let's see the mouse. Right, it's very cool, perfect size. Then here's the sensor. I'll open this. I'll feel the button. So very quiet buttons. This one you can hear the click, but for this part is quite quiet. Then I need to open this one. Just slide it. So there's a plastic on the battery, so just remove this one. So to activate the battery, and here is the dongle. Just remove this, connect to the laptop. I will try this now with my laptop. So here's the USB port. So you can hear it recognize. So you can see it's scrolling. So try to run the website, maybe test. So test, just test meaning, definition, blah blah blah. So try the scroll, it's working. Then I'll try the back button. So back button is working, then forward button is working. Okay, so very easy to use mouse. Again, this is Logitech M650, and the size is quite comfortable for me. So you can see, yeah, all good. Thank you for watching.